Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about two types of pumps, the sump pump and the utility pump.
Basements and crawl spaces are vulnerable to flooding. The best line of defense is a good sump pump. The Everbilt half horsepower submersible pump is used to pump water from a basement or crawl space sump basin. The Everbilt HDS 50 fasteners are corrosion resistant stainless steel, and the pump is protected by a powder coated epoxy finish. Available in two sizes, 1/3 horsepower and half horsepower. The Everbilt HDS 50 is engineered to pass half-inch solids and features a vortex non-clogging impeller, making it ideal for sump effluent and dewatering applications. This pump has a vertical lift of 26 feet and a discharge flow rate of 85 gallons per minute.
Now, let's talk about the utility pump.
A utility pump is a portable pump that moves water from one place to another. Everbilt 1/6 horsepower submersible utility pump is ideal for use in most areas where unwanted water gathers. This utility pump can be totally submerged in water and pump down to 3/8 of an inch from a flat surface. The Everbilt 1/6 horsepower submersible utility pump can be used in window wells, spas, tubs, or ponds. It includes an 8-foot power cord. This pump pumps up to 1,680 gallons per hour. The Everbilt 1/6 horsepower submersible utility pump is great as an emergency pump in the event your sump pump fails or you experience a flood of some sort.
The Everbilt half horsepower sump pump and the 1/6 submersible utility pump can both be found in stores at the Home Depot or online at homedepot.com.